The mission of LifeFlight is to make sure that every patient in Maine who is critically injured or critically ill can get cared for, get stabilized, and get to the right doctor in the right hospital. So it's the idea of a universal critical care system for very vulnerable patients.
LifeFlight of Maine began in 1998 with an A109C N1PJ with a Gusta helicopter, single ship for a little while, and then the second machine came along and we transitioned to the A109C Max. When I joined the program, it was 2 years after it began. A busy month for us would be 10 flights. We've come a long way. Our training has increased to the point where we are an IFR NVG single pilot operation. We go anywhere, just about anywhere, and do just about anything that we can in accordance with the operation specifications that we have.
We've flown Augusta helicopters, now Leonardo, for many years. We're in our fourth generation. Because of our budget and the nature of how we operate, we need to be in a light twin engine aircraft from the economics of this. And so we're in a combination right now of 109Es and 109 SPs, gradually moving to SP as the base platform. We fly long distances, we fly high production. Airframe to us is 750 to 950 hours a year. We run them at 94–95% availability. That's with really great support from Leonardo and a great team from 7 Bar here taking care of the aircraft.
Maintenance here has grown over the years. We initially started with 2 helicopters and 2 mechanics. Then we went from 2 helicopters to 4 mechanics. Then we went to 3 helicopters, and now we have 2 mechanics in Lewiston, in Sanford, and we've got 4 in Bangor. And those guys are absolutely fabulous. If things are broke, they just fix them. And if there's a problem, if they think there's gonna be a problem, they solve it before it happens. The communication center we have is absolutely fabulous.
When we think about communications, and that's really part of the entire next-gen system, remote decision-making, decision support. So we have a communication center located in Bangor. We leverage that technology as well. So it's actually the busiest ambulance dispatch center in the state.
We would not be able to do what we do without them. On any given time, the tones go off, we make a weather decision, then we go in the direction we're asked to go.
Maine is a big place, very rural, heavily forested, mountains, and rurally dispersed communities. So that really ends up being helicopters. And the helicopters are really an extension of our hospital network system. There isn't anyone else in Maine that does this work. So this is the state-wide system for care, and everybody in Maine, every hospital, every EMS service, every community has a stake in making sure that system is there. And they have to believe, they have to trust that every single person is going to do the right thing at the right moment. And that's LifeFlight, but that's LifeFlight writ large, working with all of our partners, organizing that care to make sure that we can change the outcome for patients.